In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a spark plug on your Honda Pilot. Let's get started. We're going to remove the engine cover. To do this, there should be 3 little tabs right here. You'll give them a quarter twist to the left and remove them, and then you'll be able to remove the engine cover. We're going to work on the back of the motor. Using a 6mm hex head, we're going to remove the bolt holding the ignition coil. Remove the bolt. Pull the coil out slightly. There's going to be a tab on the side. We're going to push on that tab for the connector. And we're going to pull the connector off of the coil. Just like that. That's the push button. And then we can remove our ignition coil. Using a 17mm socket on a long extension, we're going to remove the spark plug. And remove it from the vehicle. We're going to install our new spark plug. I have it in the end of my socket, and we'll drop it down and start it by hand. You always want to start these by hand so you don't cross-thread them. Once you get it started, go ahead and snug it down. Torque the spark plug to 11 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench in here, do the best you can. Install the ignition coil. Connect the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked in. And we're going to push the coil all the way down and install our bolt. Snug the bolt down. Install the engine cover. And if you have the 3 tabs down here, go ahead and quarter turn those and lock them down, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.